Welcome to today's Will You adventure. I am Angelique, founder of Will You and WillYouGrow.com, an inspirational multimedia company that provides personal growth and joy through education, conversations, and adventures. Today's nature adventure, what a delight. You see this beautiful red flower. I'd like to give you a little close-up here. The flower itself has a beautiful stamen below the petals. It is a brilliant hot pink, and the length of the stem with the blossoms on it is about 16 inches. I was walking by and this beautiful plant spoke to me. This beautiful plant also is a representative of Flora, or Khloris, as she introduced herself, who is the deity of spring growth. It's also for blessed islands, and I am honored to say that she had a message for me. The message is that expression is a form of hierarchy. Expression is a form of hierarchy. I looked and absorbed this message. I looked at this beautiful, beautiful flower, absorbed this message, and this is what it meant. Expression, flowers and blooms are a form of expression. And they are a form of hierarchy. Hierarchy meaning a status, a rank, a level. Not every plant gets to express in the form of a bloom. Not every plant gets to express. And it's not just plants. That also applies to me and you. Expression is a form of hierarchy. And this is an encouragement to all of us. Are we allowing ourselves to bloom, or are we holding ourselves back? Are we hiding the beauty of the blooms that we could be expressing to the world out of fear of what others might say, or because other people might like to bloom bigger than we are? So let us take this beautiful message from Khloris and Flora, from this beautiful flower here today, and allow ourselves to bloom. So will you adventure? I encourage you, get out and listen to nature. It has a lot to teach us. Always with love I send to you from nature and from Angelique.